Short story. My idol. My favorite idol of all time is Michael Jackson, and I believe that he is also an idol of many people all over the world. He appeared to be a star at a very young age, and his talent continued to shine brightly through time. In his early 20s, he officially started his individual singing career and became one of the legends of the music industry. Throughout his life, Michael had sold out more than 400 million music records and won many honorable awards. His name, music, dancing skills, personal life and information was the hottest subject for the mass media at that time. People could not stop talking about him, and it could be said that there was nobody that had not heard of Michael Jackson. He was not only a singer and professional dancer, but he was also a producer, musician, and actor. His light as a king of pop was supposed to shine for many more decades. But there were many scandals that came to him. He spent many of his last years facing charges as well as financial problems. In 2009, audiences had expected him to return, but an accident and wrong usage of medicines had taken his life in shock. People all over the world were informed about his death, and it was said that no one could ever replace his position to be the king of pop. Although he had a lot of troubles in his life, but people cannot deny the fact that he made many positive influences on the music industry. Michael Jackson had dedicated his life to art, and all of his effort will forever be remembered. As for me, I don't care about his scandals. What I only care about is his music and dances. It was really great. It is undeniable that his dance is very special and attractive. Many people, even good dancers, have covered his dance. And me too. Even though I'm not a dancer, I'm crazy about Michael Jackson's dance. It took me a month to learn a few of his moves, but when I did, it was amazing. Among his songs, my favorite is the song Heal the World. I don't know why, but when I listen to that song, I feel so warm. His voice blew me away. I listen to that song every day. Even every time I go to karaoke with friends, that song is always on my list. Although he passed away, the admiration and love for him in my heart will never change.